Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to show you all of my empty products. I have saved them in this little box right here, and I just realized that most of them are perfumes, and I think this is going to be quite interesting. So let's just dive right into it. First, I see two empty bottles of the Estee Lauder Modern Muse Nuit. I hope I pronounced that correctly. I love this perfume, as you can tell, and I have already repurchased another one. I got this from duty free, but I think it's available online. I'm gonna find it for you guys and link it down below. Also, the sun is setting, so the light might change anytime now. This is such a bad time for me to start filming, but I really wanted to tick this off today and bring you guys a new video. The next thing that I see is my La Roche-Posay Effaclar lotion. This used to be a toner. I would love to repurchase this, but it's not available in India anymore. So next time when I'm traveling, I'm definitely picking this up. It's great, excellent for acne prone skin, so I love that. Next, I have this little facial mist from Kiehl's. This is their cactus flower hydrating mist. It is very hydrating. I used to carry this in my bag, especially when I am traveling. If you have dry skin, then you must definitely check this one out if this falls in your budget. Kiehl's products are expensive. They aren't the most affordable, but they do exactly what it says on the tin, and this is amazing. I love this, especially in long haul flights, like during winters. During the summer you can like skip this, but during the winters when your skin gets really dry, I think this works very well. Next, I have this deodorant from Nivea. This is their whitening smooth skin deodorant. I have used so many bottles of this, but I actually went ahead and bought another Dove one. If you want to check it out, then I have a full haul on my IGTV. You can go check out the deodorants I bought over there. I don't think so I am going to repurchase this. It's not a bad product. It's just that I want to try new things, and I think new things just like get me really excited. Then I have this little tub from Clinique. This is the Take the Day Off balm. This I feel like is my holy grail. Oh god, I couldn't even say that word. This is my holy grail makeup remover. I absolutely love it. It is super overpriced and it's not affordable at all, but the product is so good. It removes everything from my skin. That's why I got another one already, and it's almost over. I think this can be my product empty too, because it's almost over, because I use it up all the time. I travel with it, and it's just so easy to like just emulsify and break down all of your makeup at once at the end of the day. Then I have some more perfumes. The first one is from Lancome. Really bad at pronouncing French names, but this is called La Vie et Belle, and I am definitely buying one more of this. I was actually so torn at the duty free if I should get this one or this one, but I ended up getting this one, but definitely buying this one again too. I really like this, and this is the most long-lasting perfume ever. There's this guy who does perfume reviews here on YouTube, and he has a video called the most long-lasting perfumes for women, and this was in it, and I was so excited that I had something from his video. Anyway, I have this little perfume. I think this was from Lanvin, and it's called Eclat. I could be wrong, and I'm definitely mispronouncing it. Oh, love the smell. This perfume always reminds me of Sonal, because she wears this, and I bought this because of Sonal, and this is again a very long-lasting perfume. Then I also have this little perfume from BVLGARI. I think it's called BLV. It's from BVLGARI, and this smells very vanilla-y, very warm, definitely a winter perfume. I don't think so I'm getting that one again. I also have an empty for the Armani code. I don't know if I'm going to repurchase this. There are so many other exciting perfumes that I don't think so. I'm going to get this one again. It was nice while it lasted, but it's a good fragrance. A lot of people swear by Armani code, and it's also very long lasting. Then I have this little perfume. I don't even know where this is from. I think this was an Oriflame. Oh yeah, this is an Oriflame perfume called Pretty Swan. I don't even think this is available anymore. Then I have 2 tubs of the Clinique Moisture Surge. Oh my god, this is so good. I still feel like there are like a little bit of it left, so I'm going to use whatever is left. But I have 2 empty jars of the Clinique Moisture Surge. It is amazing for oily skin. I have used this so much. You can use it underneath your makeup, over your makeup, mix it with your highlighter, give yourself the dewy glow. It's like dunking your face in water, and it's super lightweight and amazing. And lastly, I have 2 dry shampoos. This one is from BBLUNT and this one is from Belle. This is the BBLUNT Spring Fling Dry Shampoo. I loved the carry-on size, which is why it got over quickly, because I used to travel with it everywhere, and I love dousing my hair with dry shampoo, especially like after the gym, or if I'm headed to an event, I've done my hair and I just want to like style it up and give it a little bit more oomph while I'm about to reach the event. I quickly reach out for this. Love using dry shampoo. I actually really like the BBLUNT ones. I know a lot of people don't really like the BBLUNT one, but it does work for me. And the Belle one is slightly milder than the BBLUNT one, so it does not really have a lot of the powder, I guess, that comes out. It's still good though. I don't know if I'm going to repurchase this. It smelled really nice. There isn't much of it left, but it's lightweight and it smells really good. It smells like a hair perfume, and it just leaves your hair softer. And that's everything that was there in this little tub of mine. I can finally throw away all of these products. I feel like there's a little bit of the dry shampoo left. Nothing was coming out, so I chucked them into this tub, but I see that I can still make 1 or 2 use out of them. So that's it for my empties video. Super random and a lot of perfumes. I didn't realize I ended up using so many perfumes, and I feel like I hoard them. Even when they get over, I don't throw away the bottle for some reason, which is why I ended up having so many empty bottles, and I found all of them while I was purging out my makeup. If you guys haven't seen me do that, then I'm going to link that video somewhere here on the screen, and even in the description box you can go see how I organized all of my makeup. It was a huge declutter, and that's all. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and please hit the bell icon. Apparently videos don't really show up if you don't hit that, and you are also really always notified whenever I upload a new video. And that's all. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.